Some things are better left unspoken, but even more should remain unshared. Throughout history, the rise and fall of powerful individuals, kingdoms, and empires have often hinged on the revelation of a single, well-guarded secret. Secrets hold immense power, serving as both shields and swords, protecting us or leading to our undoing. But what if there are secrets so vital, so essential, that they should never be revealed to just anyone? The ancient Stoics understood the significance of such secrets and practiced a discipline of silence and discretion to protect themselves from harm and preserve their dignity. 1. The silent battles. Behind every face you encounter lies a universe of untold stories. These silent narratives, filled with personal struggles, often hold immense power. The Stoics knew that it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that truly matters. This doesn't mean you should bottle everything up, but rather you should discern who to confide in. Not everyone can truly understand your battles, so choose those who have earned your trust wisely. 2. Whispers of self-doubt. The hushed voices of self-doubt can be like a weight holding you back from making decisions. Stoicism teaches us to address these internal dialogues privately and seek understanding within ourselves. Engage with these whispers in the silent arena of introspection, where your understanding becomes the compass, not the opinions of others. 3. Your future plans. While it's tempting to announce your future plans, there's strength in keeping them close. Your aspirations, dreams, and ambitions are yours to cherish. By not revealing every detail, you maintain an element of mystery and unpredictability, which can serve you well. History is filled with examples of premature boasting leading to downfall. 4. The temptation of excessive comfort. In a world where sharing our every challenge has become the norm, there's wisdom in keeping your forays outside of your comfort zone to yourself. Embrace discomfort and personal growth silently, rather than seeking external validation. It's in the unfamiliar that we discover our true potential. 5. Your vulnerabilities and weaknesses. Recognize your vulnerabilities, cherish them, and work on them privately. They deserve protection, not exposure. By privately acknowledging these weaknesses, you ensure they're not exploited or misunderstood, allowing them to become areas of growth. 6. Your personal grievances. Carrying grudges is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. Process personal grievances internally to promote inner equilibrium and self-mastery. Tackling problems internally without scattering your energy outward is a Stoic approach to maintaining peace of mind. 7. Your personal achievements and successes. There's quiet satisfaction in personal achievements, and while it's natural to share them with loved ones, it's essential to discern between sharing joy and seeking validation. Broadcasting every achievement can dilute their significance, turning profound milestones into mere conversation topics. Internalizing and deeply appreciating your own growth and achievements leads to self-reliance. 8. The quiet desires of your heart. Small personal yearnings often remain whispers, easily drowned in the noise of daily life. There's power in keeping these dreams close, letting them grow in the silences of your heart. Not everything needs to be laid bare. Some treasures are best kept to yourself. Remember that the power of silence and selective sharing can lead to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you.